Our current food systems are vulnerable to shocks. Climate change, the COVID-19 pandemic and Russia's invasion of Ukraine are disrupting food supply chains and driving up food prices, leading to increased food insecurity. To make our food systems more resilient, we need to promote diversity in the types of foods that we eat, how we produce food, and where our food is from. This way, when one source of food is affected by a shock, we have other options. Resilient food systems source food locally as well as globally. Growing food around cities can connect local producers directly to consumers, which has positive economic, social, and environmental impacts. Food waste and wastewater from cities can also be recycled on local farms, contributing to strong circular food economies.